In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. If your website feels sluggish, enabling Hostinger's built-in CDN is one of the quickest ways to improve loading times for visitors across different regions. A CDN, or content delivery network, stores copies of your site's static assets on servers around the world, so pages load faster and more reliably. Let's walk through the exact process in Hostinger's hPanel and make sure everything is set up correctly. Start by logging into your Hostinger hPanel. Use the same account where your website is hosted. Once you're in, head to the Websites section. This page lists all the sites connected to your account, and it's where you'll choose the one you want to speed up. Find the website you want to optimize and click Dashboard next to it. This opens the control panel for that specific site where you'll manage performance settings and tools. Inside the dashboard, look for Performance, then select CDN. Depending on your hosting plan and layout, you might see CDN directly in the sidebar. Don't worry if your screen looks slightly different. Hostinger updates the interface from time to time, but the CDN option will be in one of those places. Once you're on the CDN page, check the current status. If the status shows that the CDN is inactive, you'll see an option to enable it. Click Enable to turn it on. Hostinger will handle the configuration behind the scenes, so there's nothing else you need to input here. After enabling, you'll need to wait for the CDN to propagate fully. Hostinger advises allowing 24 to 48 hours for everything to update across their global network. Propagation is normal. It's simply the process of syncing your site's assets to edge servers. During this time, your site should remain accessible, but you may not see the full speed benefits immediately. Once that window has passed, it's a good idea to clear cache or recheck the site to confirm the change. Start with a hard refresh in your browser, or open your site in a private window to bypass old cached files. If your site uses a caching plugin or Hostinger's cache manager, clear that cache as well. Then load a few key pages to see how they feel. For a more objective check, you can run a quick test using a speed testing tool and compare with your earlier results. That's it. You've enabled Hostinger's CDN, waited for propagation, and verified your site. Enjoy the performance boost, and remember to revisit the CDN page in hPanel if you ever want to review the status again.